Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 here with Becky, and we're going on Griffon, Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, Virginia, 2024. It's a dive coaster. Do you know how tall this one is?
I don't actually know.
Okay, we'll look that up. We've been on similar ones to this. Valraven and Shikra, I believe, are the two on the channel. So this will be number 3 on the channel, and we'll compare this one to those two when we get off the ride. So just stick with us for a few minutes. Looks like the line's going to get real deep all of a sudden. So in we go right after this group, I guess. Okay. Sometimes that happens. We tried to do a little 30-second, and then there's like a whole train. But in we go. We do not have quick queues. Here they do not honor the Florida passes, quick queue, platinum pass perks at other states. Okay, long line.
Thank you for riding Griffon, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Busch Gardens.
Ladies and gentlemen, as a friendly reminder, loose articles are not permitted on Griffon. Loose articles includes, but not limited to, hats, bags, fanny packs, crossover bodies, jackets around the waist, and loose footwear, including Crocs, slides, and flip-flops. Please place all loose articles inside the bins or behind the gates on the exit side. Please do not place them on the platform floor. They will be moved. Any articles lost or damaged will not be retrieved by Griffon staff. Thank you and enjoy your ride on Griffon.
I'm in. We got to be over 200-foot drop on this thing. So what is this, 202 drop? 200-foot drop? 205? 205. What'd I say, 202? That's not a bad guess. Not good, not perfect. Won't win you any contests. 205. I wonder what the tallest of the 3 is. We'll have to look that up.
I'm not sure.
There's probably more dive coasters than we've been on.
Yeah.
I bet there's probably at least, I don't know, maybe close to 10 in the world. Can't be only in America. I bet Germany's probably got a good one.
Oh, they're definitely all over the world.
Japan probably has one, I'm sure. Hard to say. And I don't know what's in the Disney parks in like France or, maybe they've got one. Maybe not.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready?
And platform. Platform clear.
I'm ready for the Griffon. The platform has dropped.
To enjoy the power
The gates are swinging open. And we are in the front row. 205. 205 to the ground below our feet soon, Becky. We're going to have a little bit of sunshine here. A little bit of sunshine. Sun's shining. Shining light on me. Okay. Up and away. The sun is beaming in. Here we go, everybody. Ready for the flight of the Griffon? Oh, the wind! Oh, what? Why would it do such a thing? I thought it was going to throw us off fast. Oh Lord! Here we are. Oh man, we're straight up. Oh boy! Trying to do to me here. Oh, got sprayed in the face.
Yep. Definitely.
Sprayed in the face at the end for good measure. Not cool. Not cool. I tried to block it.
Oh boy.
No idea. No idea right now.
That, yeah.
No idea right now. Good or bad or what? No, it was, that was, I don't know. I feel like that was maybe better than the others.
Yeah?
I had my arms kind of out. I touched up.
How do you have your arms up?
I was like holding out like this, like I was flying like that one wing, and I definitely hit the branch. I got a little pine needle slap. So I don't recommend doing that. It's a real tight course.
Oh, is this like the layer?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess I was kind of flying, but anyway, I'm gonna say, had a great little ride. We got people's stuff all on top of our stuff. Hopefully it's okay.
And enjoy the rest of your day here at Busch Gardens.
There.
All right, the Griffon. It flew. I felt like I was flying on that thing. Did you come out of the seat at one point?
I did, yeah.
It was like
first
0
drop,
G.
Yeah, first drop got me. The second drop, yeah, I definitely had some like wiggle room in the restraint.
Oh, okay. I felt like it was just like grabbing me on the first drop. Maybe I felt like I was free falling for like a second on the first and second drop. Definitely longer on the first drop. But it was like the 0 G stall. It just kind of lasted for, seemed like a couple of seconds. Like I was like, not as much as Pantheon. I just felt like I was in outer space for like 3 seconds. But there is a good 0 G moment in this. That dropped looking down, really. Yeah. If you try to think, like we ride a lot of roller coasters, so we've been up to like over 300 feet at this point, but if you just kind of look down and try to remind yourself that you're like over 200 feet in the air, it kind of gets a little bit going. So yeah, no, I enjoyed that, and I really thought that the drops themselves were very smooth.
Yeah.
Like it just kind of just roared on the track and then just gliding in the air like you're flying. So I had a great first ride on that front row. So that's I think that's all the coasters, right? Here, so we've got front row rides on all the coasters for everybody out there. Let us know in the comments if you have a favorite coaster. And big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, fellow travelers. If you're new, consider subscribing or leaving us a comment, or like, or anything. It all helps. And we'll see you all very soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.